Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my latest video. In this video you are going to see me do a whole house Christmas clean with me, and all of these products were recently bought at B&M, so everything you see you can find in your local B&M. So the first thing I want to do before I do any cleaning is a little tidy up. I've just dropped my eldest son off at school, and as you can see there are a lot of toys to tidy up behind him. So I'm going to tidy all this away, tidy all the clutter and bits away, so then I can start cleaning. And I'm going to start in the kitchen. So I'm just going to empty the sink because I want to start by giving the sink a good cleanse. I'm going to put in some winter spice Sephlora. If you haven't tried the Christmas Sephloras, you haven't lived. You need to. Just put a capful with some hot water in your sink and then give it a good scrub with the Scrub Daddy, or the Christmas edition Scrub Daddy that I got from B&M. How cute is he? And I'm going to give the sink a good old scrub, get off any dried food, any marks, anything like that before letting the Sephlora go down the plug. I'm then going to use the Cif cream in Winter Sparkle. It's a special Christmas edition one which smells amazing, and I'm going to use this to clean the sink holes, plug holes, whatever you call them, and the little bits that go on top. They get so marked and so stained, and I find that the Cif cream brings them up really well and makes them really shiny. And obviously this one smells like Christmas as well, which is an added bonus.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling.
And I'm going to replace my regular Scrub Daddy with my Christmas Scrub Daddy, and this makes me so happy. So I'm now going to use the Cif Winter Sparkle Spray. This one is safe for food preparation areas, so I'm going to use this one to clean all of the kitchen worktops.
Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss.
For the rest of the surfaces, I'm going to use the Frosted Berries Flash Wipes. These did not let me down. They smell really great, really festive. And I'm going to use them just to wipe down all of the surfaces, get off any dust or any grubby little marks that have been left behind by the boys.
Moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby.
And I'm also going to use them to wipe down our main dining table as well.
As long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
Not forgetting Cooper's high chair that also needs a scrub. These wipes are really good and thick, so I'm finding that they go a really long way.
And drink our chocolate by the fire.
Next up, I'm going to be using my brand new Fabulosa Perfect Christmas Tree Disinfectant Spray. I have never used this before, and I'm going to use it to clean and disinfect our playmat. This is a wipeable playmat, so I'm going to spray and scrub, and honestly, it smells so good. And Fabulosa is a disinfectant as well, so I know that it's getting off any germs or any bad little things that are stuck on the playmat, making it a safe area for the boys to play. I also got myself this Sephlora disinfectant spray in Winter Spice, so I'm going to spray that over the playmat as well, just to be sure. And also, oh my gosh, it smelt so good. So into the living room now, and I'm just using a cloth and the Fabulosa Perfect Christmas Tree spray that you saw me using earlier, and I'm just doing this to dust all of the surfaces and just give all the surfaces a good wipe down.
Just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether or not you're with somebody new, still I wait.
I was also impressed how well it brought up my mirrored tray. Sometimes sprays can leave marks behind, but it really didn't. And what I like to do is just spray a little bit directly onto the cloth and use this to clean my stool and my sofa. So I don't spray the fabric directly, I just spray the cloth and then wipe. So you'll see me do it here on the sofa as well. I will just spray a little bit onto my cloth and then use that damp cloth to just wipe down the surface of the sofa, and it just brings it up really nicely. This is my absolute star buy, the Fabulosa Room and Fabric Spray in Spiced Apple Strudel. It did not disappoint. This smells incredible. I sprayed it all over my sofa and any other upholstery that I had in the living room, and then I also went back into the kitchen and tidied up the grubby playroom sofa. This sofa is so worn down and so stained and old, but the boys use it and I don't mind if it gets dirty. But this spray really gave it a new lease of life. It smells like Christmas in there. Now I'm taking my Frosted Berries wipes into the toilets to wipe down all of my bathrooms, well, most of my bathrooms anyway. I'm starting in the downstairs toilet. I'm just going to wipe down the toilet and the sink, make sure that they are all lovely and clean. I love using the wipes, especially in the bathrooms, because I know there's no danger of spreading the germs around. I also got the special Harpic Christmas edition in Mountain Pine, and I put this all through the toilet. It smelled a little bit Christmassy. I mean, as Christmassy as toilet bleach can smell, I suppose. So I'm in the upstairs family bathroom now. This is really the boys' bathroom. I'm just going to tidy it up a little bit, and I'm going to do the same thing again. So I'm going to use the Frosted Berries wipes to wipe down the boys' toilet and sink, and then I'll put some of the Christmas toilet bleach into the toilet as well. So now I'm going to make the beds and tidy up the bedrooms a little bit, starting with our bedroom. I usually make the bed as soon as I wake up, but honestly, I'm a bit full of cold and feeling a bit poorly today, so it's a bit late in the day to be making the beds, but still, it just always makes me feel so much better. Next up into Leo's room to make his bed as well. I'm just going to give his room a little bit of a tidy up while I'm in here also.
And Christmas is my favorite time.
The next thing I'm going to do is hoover downstairs. Cooper's having a really long nap, which has worked out really well for me, so I'm going to hoover while I have the chance.
Are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season that's mine, so let it come.
And just as I finished hoovering, he decided to wake up. Perfect timing. So I'm just going to go get him, open his curtains, give him a little cuddle. And actually, Cooper ended up helping me finish with the hoovering upstairs. He absolutely loves the hoover. So he loves to sit on my hip and watch me hoover the carpets. Babies are weird like that, aren't they? So he is helping me hoover upstairs on the landing and in the bedrooms.
I can see the snowflakes fall. I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas.
The last thing I wanted to do is put all of my new Christmas cleaning products into a basket where they can all live together, and it can be my Christmas cleaning basket. And you don't know how happy this makes me. This is like happiness in a basket. How cute does this look all together? This way I can just come and grab my basket every time I want to do a clean, and I know it's all Christmas themed, and it's so sad, but it makes me so happy. So thank you so much for watching my latest video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you lovely people in my next video.